Number 3. BLACK+DECKER Compact Countertop Dishwasher. Say goodbye to dishwashing woes with the BLACK+DECKER Compact Countertop Dishwasher. This sleek appliance combines style with exceptional functionality, making it the best designed countertop option out there. With its elegant white finish and stainless steel handle, it blends seamlessly into any kitchen decor. The understated touch controls provide a modern touch, enhancing the overall user experience. Accommodating up to 6 place settings, it easily handles everyday dish loads. Selecting from 7 wash cycles, including intensive and soak modes, you can tackle even the toughest messes. This flexibility means you won't have to worry about stubborn stains or stuck-on food. A built-in drying feature is another highlight, complete with an extra drying option. This is perfect for larger loads, ensuring that your dishes come out ready to use. Users appreciate how this model manages to combine efficiency with ease of use. Water usage per cycle stands at approximately 2.9 gallons, which is higher than some competitors. Still, it holds Energy Star certification, indicating that it won't break the bank on utility costs. Noise levels clock in at 60 decibels, on the higher end of models reviewed, yet many users report that it runs quietly, only making noticeable sounds during draining. What shines most about this dishwasher is its reliable performance combined with sleek aesthetics. While it may use a bit more water than others, its functionality and design make it hard to overlook.